Do you feel like saving money is harder than ever? What if I told you there are simple strategies that could transform your financial situation starting today? In this video, we're sharing 5 proven strategies that self-made millionaires use to save money and build wealth faster. Stick around because strategy number 4 might just blow your mind. Welcome to Shonda TV, your ultimate destination for financial tips, money-making strategies, and wealth-building insights. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a chance to upgrade your financial game. Let's dive into the 5 proven strategies to save money and build wealth. First, automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Automatically transfer a portion of your income into a separate savings or investment account each month. By making saving a habit, you'll grow your wealth without even thinking about it. Apps like Acorns and Chime can make this process seamless. Next, budget like a pro. A budget isn't just about cutting back, it's about being intentional with your spending. Use tools like Mint or YNAB to track your income and expenses, and prioritize spending on what truly matters while eliminating unnecessary costs. Now let's talk about investing early and consistently. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Take advantage of compound interest by investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs. Even small contributions add up over time. Start with as little as $50 per month and watch your portfolio grow. Strategy number 4 is to create multiple income streams. One source of income isn't enough if you want to build wealth quickly. Consider side hustles, freelancing, or even passive income opportunities like rental properties or digital products. Diversifying your income protects you from financial setbacks and accelerates your savings goals. Lastly, cut high-interest debt. High-interest debt like credit cards can drain your finances. Focus on paying off these debts first using the snowball or avalanche method. Once your debt is under control, redirect those payments toward your savings and investments. These strategies aren't just about saving money, they're about creating a financial foundation for long-term success. Which strategy are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to Shonda TV for more financial advice and wealth-building insights. Together, let's make your financial dreams a reality. See you in the next